Hey guys, welcome back. How's the pond look? If you said full, you would be accurate. The pond is 100% full right now. Looks massive. And before I start all my yip yapping, here's just a nice scenic view of the pond. I love this thing. But just like my grass does not mow itself, I really wish it did, my pond doesn't really take care of itself either. You gotta be proactive in keeping this thing look like it does. Water clarity is amazing right now. And while a big portion of that preventative maintenance comes in the form of beneficial bacteria, pond dyes, muck reducers, the real workhorse of all this is aeration. Said differently, if you have to pick one item, aeration or all the other things I mentioned, go with air. It's amazing what a good aeration system can do for a body of water like this. And I have an aeration system in my pond comprised of a 1/2 horsepower pump and 2 aeration heads. And so if you've been with the channel for a while, you know that I installed the pump house right up underneath these solar panels. Again, the solar panels are powering the well pump, not the aeration system. More on all that later. But I got the pump and the housing right here under the panels and feeding the 2 lines out into the middle of the pond. And if you watched that video last fall, I did not have the barbs to connect additional hose lengths, so my aeration heads were a little bit close to the shore. I just extended those about a week or 2 ago. I'll throw some of that footage in here now so you can kind of see what the aeration heads looked like after about 8 or 10 months of full use, submerged about 20 feet deep. Finally out here extending the air lines on this Airmax aerator. Other head, well, it's not running because this one just got pulled up. Just pulled this one up. Wanted to show you guys after 1 year or 10 months sitting. Nothing really more than just some clay on here, functioning really well still. Here you can hear it like almost boiling off on there when you put water on. But yeah, gonna throw about 40 more feet on this one coming off the solar panels. The other head's kind of somewhere out in here. We're gonna add 60 feet to it to get it closer toward the dock. So we'll have both of them kind of out in the middle more versus shoreline. So I just moved the new head to right here. You can see a few bubbles popping out. It must be extremely deep here as compared to over there where the other head is. So I'll have to adjust my pressure. I'm still gonna move that one further out. Right there you can see how water depth affects pressure. That head is getting all the air, this head's getting none. Even if it's upside down, it'll be bubbling a little bit more than that. Here's a quick look at the second one. Just covered in some clay, but still bubbling just fine. That hose is seated so tightly on that barb, I actually had to cut a couple inches off of it and pry it open to get it off. You can see the indentations in there. It's a great seal. Aerator's extended. That one there used to be about up here, and the far one was probably about here. So I added 60 feet to the far one, 40 feet to the near one. And we're not dead center of the width of the pond or the depth of the pond, however you want to look at it, but that is certainly the deep tranche when we dug the pond. But at any rate, we got them extended out as we wanted. Should be turning the whole pond now nice and evenly. So it's a little difficult to see because of the shade from the solar panels, but that's the whole point, keep the sun off of this thing. But here is the pump. We're gonna open it for the first time in like 8 or 10 months to see what it looks like. Just got 4 little thumb screws. All right, see what she looks like. Go ahead and kill it for you. All right, let's investigate. Again, this thing has this little switch right here. We can just power it on. We're off. Got my 2 lines coming out. They're gonna go under the box, come over here and hit this conduit, which has my lines that run into the pond. The connection point kind of buried right here and off into the water. And these ropes here are to help pull the airheads back up vertically. So if I'm out there in a boat, I can grab these ropes and pull it vertical as opposed to laterally pulling the rubber hose lines, not to damage them. The air out, do a little manifold, and you got valves for each one of the air lines. So not a lot to this though. It's a rocking piston air compressor with 2 lines out, but I'm really impressed with how clean the cabinet is after sitting here for, like I said, almost 10 months, whenever that was we put this thing in. No spider webs or anything really in here, no bugs, nice and sealed up. Having that buried around the outside, I'm sure certainly helps. And you got a cabinet filter here. I'll see how dirty this thing is. Yeah, it's taking some trash out of there. Let's get the sun over here. Yeah, we'll go rinse him out. Use the well pump for that. And then we got an air filter here on the pump as well. It's metal, that's awesome. Let's see how dirty this thing is. Yeah, she's fairly dirty. I think I have a few of these up at the house. If you have an aerator like this at all, most of these things are similar. I'm not sure they're gonna be the same quality, but I don't have an OEM replacement from the Pond Guy or the Airmax system on hand. So I might either just air compress this thing out the time being, or throw one of the other ones I have in there, but just a paper filter, nothing fancy. Nice fish has a little washable filter on it. That's one thing my little DIY unit never had. I had a filter on my unit itself, like a little paper filter, but had no cabinet filter. I'd imagine that's a pretty big deal to add longevity to these units. I really like that this is a washable filter. Nice touch. I'm not making you go out and buy cheap crap just to keep your cabinet clean. Tell you what, take advantage of the sun here and just lay this thing on the Defender here to dry out before we throw it back in the cabinet. Stick it on the roof. How about that? Right up there. That'll work. Actually, I think I got some paper towels on here too. Maybe I'll get a wet paper towel, just wipe the cabinet out a little bit. Aha. Give this old thing a little scrub down. Just wipe her down here a bit. Get her looking like new. All right, got it cleaned up a little bit. One thing I might do is take some duct seal and put it down here where these two hoses exit the bottom of the housing. You can see underneath the unit down there, so that's another spot where bugs could get in. And if I close them up, it might help keeping things out. It's not gonna mess with ventilation. Again, you get ventilation in on the far side and this one case fan blowing out on the outside. For the longest time, I had my own DIY unit and it worked okay, but it certainly got to the end of its life pretty fast. And after having seen how this thing's built, I realized that there's more to it than just taking a pump and pushing air into the water. They got the sizing right on this thing as far as the cabinet. Airflow is fantastic. It doesn't get too hot. The diffuser heads are way superior to what I had previously. And like I said, it just works. It's quiet, it runs, the cabinet's clean, it's reliable. I think that's all it really needs to be, right? And if you have a bigger pond than mine, mine's an acre running a 1/2 horsepower. They got some that go up to, I think, 12 acres. So I'll put some links down below if you want to check them out. And just for fun while we're doing it, here's my old unit. Pretty beat up. This was just underwater, and you can see the plastic housing breaking. My little makeshift cabinet, rotted in the sun, nasty with bugs and dirt. My Harbor Freight zip ties, though, are still hanging on. Got an extra laundry basket if I need it. Like I said, it worked for a while, but it had definitely met its match and is nowhere near up to snuff with those units. Quality of componentry too. Here's the old hose. It's a small diameter stuff. The hoses that the pond guy has for the Airmax system, mammoth. See if I can fish one out here. I guess you saw it whenever I was doing my install. But check these bad boys out. Monsters. All right, got that all sealed back up. The boils are both rolling out there. So I guess I didn't ultimately show you how this is powered. The electrical setup was not here when I first put this thing in my video last fall. So yeah, the Airmax aeration system is plugged into the grid. Got an outlet right here. Set another outlet just for other uses. Got a panel coming from the barn. And the solar panels are feeding this controller, which feeds the well pump. You can see I do now have electricity to the well pump, so I can run at night if I ever want to top this thing off. But I wanted to make it clear that this aeration system is running off of the grid and not these solar panels. If you're in a situation where you don't have power, you can certainly run an aeration system off solar, and the pond guy sells those setups. So they get really expensive really fast, and they're just not as efficient, but it is an option. So back to how I started this video, air is really the big driver of keeping a pond looking beautiful like this. Obviously, it does take more than that, but if you have to pick one, I would always pick air. Moving water is better than stagnant water. And it's early May here, and I have not put anything in this water yet this year. So this is just kind of how it came and woke up this spring. I'll soon be putting in the bacterias and dyes and all that fun stuff, muck reducer, etc. But for now, we're just riding on whatever was in here last fall, and the air helps tremendously. I'm hopeful with two of these airheads out here, kind of more central to the pond, we'll stop seeing so many cold spots. We'll get the water fully turned so that when we swim out here, it'll be a nice uniform temperature. It's crazy, even on a pond this size, if you don't turn the air properly, you'll get one spot that's super hot, and you'll go over to the airhead and it's nice and cool. Those hot summer days in July, August, this thing heats up pretty fast. But if you're not turning all the water, you're definitely gonna get warm and cool spots. And there's the overflow. You can see the water all the way to the top. That white pipe is for pumping out the swamp area back there. Been using the overflow kind of as a conduit. I'm sure you saw that. But yeah, the pond is 100% full right now. One of my favorite places. So if you have a pond, I highly advise putting air into it. Whether you have fish or don't have fish, it's definitely still worth it. You're gonna have cleaner, better quality water if you're turning that water. Again, regardless of whether you have fish or not. Nobody wants to swim in a swamp. And yeah, you can take the cheaper route and do DIY. That's what I did initially. At the time, I needed something quick to throw into the water. I wasn't super educated. And now I realize in a setting and scenario like this, quality is paramount. I have learned so much since having this pond, and happy to answer any and all questions you guys may have about pond aeration or pond keep in general. I will be making a video here shortly as we start throwing other stuff into the pond. I'm changing my maintenance routine this year, working with the pond guy. We're gonna be using their clear pack system on this pond this year to keep this thing looking pristine all year long. And my grand plan still is in the works. If you've been with the channel, you know what I'm talking about. If not, let me fill you in. The idea and the real reason that we now have electricity out here to power this air pump, because we could have easily just powered it up by the barn or buried our air line or whatever, is that we are going to make this a feature piece of the pond. Don't know when I'm gonna break ground on it, but the idea is to build a massive waterfall with a stream coming down into the water. The well pump is going to be part of the water feeding it. We're also going to put a pump in the pond and pull a bunch of water from the pond to help add to the waterfall. That's about 25 to 28 gallons a minute. I'm looking for like 100, 150 gallons a minute. So that is another reason electricity is out here. We use it for the waterfall, the aeration system, the well pump if we need to. I'm sure we'll add lights and illumination along here, security cameras, you name it. Hey, that's cold water. And there's your proof that the well pump's running on solar. Cloud cover just knocked it out for a second. I gotta find the maintenance guy. Who's in charge of mowing this? This is ridiculous. All right, guys, I'm off to the next project. No shortage of things to do around here, but stick around. I hope to film a whole lot more videos about this pond this summer. One thing I do want to update you on at some point are the size of our fish. We stocked this thing about 5 years ago, and they are really starting to grow. And the bluegill are kind of becoming a nuisance, so we're gonna have to harvest some of them out. But many more fun things on the way. Hit that subscribe button. If you have questions about ponds, aeration, upkeep, etc., drop them down below. If I can't answer your questions, the folks at the Pond Guy certainly can. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.